This presentation is to help you brush up on induction lighting as one of the most cost-effective and proven lighting technologies available today. Let's think of this presentation as Induction Lighting 101. As you all know, this is a very challenging time for the lighting industry. The poor economy has hit all of us hard, and it's becoming increasingly harder and harder to make a sale. Our customers have less money to spend, and many are caught in a vice between shrinking budgets and higher maintenance and energy costs. Because of their energy savings, LEDs have become the buzzword. Yet, when our customers see the price of an LED fixture, sticker shock sets in. But that doesn't have to be the end of the sale. Think of that sticker shock as an opportunity to sell induction lighting as a practical, less expensive alternative. Use that moment to educate your customer on how induction lighting is a maintenance-driven technology. Teach them that induction lighting is also a proven technology. Now, more than ever, your knowledge of induction lighting products and the ability to convey that knowledge to your customer can be the key to closing what would have been a lost sale. Lesson 1. Induction lighting has been around for 100 years. It was invented in 1890. Philips QL produced the first commercially available induction systems in 1990. Induction lighting is a cousin of fluorescent lighting. Fluorescent lighting has electrodes. They use these to stimulate trapped gases to create light. These electrodes degrade every time the lamp is turned on. Eventually, they fail, usually somewhere between 10,000 and 20,000 hours, depending on the manufacturer and how often the lamp is turned on and off. Induction lighting systems don't have electrodes. They use a magnetic field to create light. Why is this important? Without electrodes to wear down, the induction lighting systems can last 100,000 hours or more. That's 5 to 10 times longer than conventional fluorescent systems. On average, if you turn on an induction lighting system and leave it on for 24 hours, 7 days a week, it will stay lit for over 10 years or more. If an induction system were turned on for only 12 hours a day, it would actually extend the lamp life for well over 20 years. How does this compare to HID lighting? The lifespan of a metal halide is about 10,000 hours, and a high-pressure sodium lifespan is about 24,000 hours. That means that you would have changed 10 metal halide lamps and 4 high-pressure sodium lamps before you would have changed a single induction lamp. Furthermore, induction systems' lumen output degrades far slower than HID lamps. The lumen output of a metal halide degrades 30% after only 6 months, or about 4,000 hours burn time. That's only 40% of its life. The lumen output of an induction lamp only degrades 30% after 6 years, or about 60,000 hours burn time. That's only after 60% of its life. Unlike HID lighting systems, induction systems work magnetically, so they are instant on and off. They don't need a warm-up period. They can also restrike instantly without cooling down. If there were a power outage, the induction fixtures would turn back on instantly when the power is restored. Lesson 3. Because induction lamps don't rely on an electric arc or heated element like HID lamps, they have no hotspot. The light is visually even, flicker-free, and not concentrated in one spot. According to statistics supplied by the U.S. Department of Energy, it is a crisp white light with a high color rendering index rating of 80. That means you can define colors easily in its light. Red appears red, blue is blue, and green is green. They're easily definable. High-pressure sodium CRI is a very poor 25. The light created by high-pressure sodium lamps gives everything a yellowish tinge. It's much harder to make out those blues and greens. CRI is important. Having a high number of lumens does not necessarily mean a fixture creates superior light to a fixture with less lumen output. The 150 watt high pressure sodium lamp has 15,000 initial lumens. The 85 watt induction lighting system has only 6,375 initial lumens. With less than half of the initial lumens as the high pressure sodium, the induction system looks better. How can that be? The answer to that question is literally in the eye of the beholder. The human eye is made up of rods and cones. The rods are what we use for visual perception in low light, or scotopic vision. The cones we use for color perception, or photopic vision. The combination of scotopic and photopic vision is mesopic vision. Induction system lights work better with those rods and cones. This is called VEL, or visually effective lumens. Simply put, these are light waves our eye can actually see. So even though the 150 watt high pressure sodium fixture creates 2 times more lumens, they are wasted lumens. It produces wavelengths of light that our eye cannot see, like ultraviolet and infrared. Simple lumen comparison does not apply in this case. Which brings me to lesson 4. Wasted lumens means wasted wattage. You remember we were comparing a 150 watt high pressure sodium to an 85 watt induction system. When compared to high pressure sodium, the induction lighting system helps you see far better with far less energy. How do you think lowering the wattage by half affects energy costs? Now extend that savings out over the life of the induction system. Now, add that energy savings to the maintenance savings we discussed earlier. This is where educating your customer is important. It is true that initial price of induction lighting fixtures are 2 to 2.5 times higher than other conventional lamp sources, but in many cases in the long run, induction lighting systems come out ahead. Just do the math. In certain instances, they can save your customer money and headaches. You simply put them up and forget about them. That is especially important if your customer's application is a fixture mounted in a dangerous, difficult to reach, or expensive to maintain area. For instance, an external wall with 100 fixtures that requires a lift over expensive landscaping for maintenance. Fixtures near power lines are dangerous to maintain. Another example would be a highway tunnel that requires a lift truck, lane closures, warning signs, and wooden horse setup. Changing a lamp in these conditions is expensive and dangerous. We design induction lighting fixtures that are extremely versatile and come in all sizes and shapes. Esco lighting offers bollards in various heights and styles, floodlights, street lights, area lights, cylinders, surface and recess mounted squares, wall packs, recessed rounds, and municipal backlit signs. So let's sum up the key points that we've learned about induction lighting. 1, it's a proven time and field tested technology that's over 100 years old. 2, it has an average lifespan of 100,000 hours. That's 10 years at 24/7 burn. 3, it produces crisp, clean, white light with a CRI of 80. 4, it has high visually efficient lumens, or VEL. 5, because of its quality of light, it can be more energy efficient than high pressure sodium. 6, it's instant on and off with no restrike lag. 7, it's maintenance driven. 8, it's perfect for hard to service and dangerous locations. 9, it comes in a wide selection of fixture types. And number 10, it's less expensive than LED. Remember, it's tough out there, and you need to make the best of every opportunity given you. Introducing the option of induction systems can save what could have been a lost deal. This is the time when the knowledge of induction lighting products and the ability to convey that knowledge to your customer is crucial. I hope you found this presentation to be informative and helpful. If you have any questions or would like to know more about Esco Lighting's extensive line of induction lighting fixtures, you can email us at esco@escolighting.com, or you can call 773-427-7000, or check out our website. We look forward to hearing from you.